Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your status on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this emoji or smiley button down below on the right side corner of the screen, and after that you can find this set status feature at the top. Click on it and here you can find 4 preset status options: online, idle, do not disturb, or invisible. Or you can also set a custom status by clicking on this last option. Here you have these options: clear tomorrow, clear in 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, or don't clear. Tap on the relevant one, and then you also have the chance to customize your status with the text. So tap on this support has arrived preset message and type in your own one. After that, you can click on the save button at the top to save your status. So here you will be able to see it appears below your username. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.